Welcome to Weekly Picks, where each week we highlight the standout stock narratives from our community. This week we're covering three big narratives: how UPS plans to cut costs and automate its comeback, why Paradigm Biopharmaceuticals could soar on an FDA green light, and how Barrick Mining offers a solid hedge against US fiscal chaos. Let's start with UPS, the logistics giant behind millions of daily deliveries. UPS is rolling out its Efficiency Reimagined initiative, a sweeping plan focused on cutting costs, closing underperforming facilities, and ramping up automation to restore profitability. It's bold, but not without challenges. Debt levels are rising, labour tensions are simmering, and investors haven't been entirely convinced by new partnerships. Investor NVF values UPS at around $95 per share, suggesting it's about 9% undervalued at today's prices. What makes this narrative stand out is its balance. NVF digs into both the risks and rewards of UPS's turnaround story, keeping the analysis grounded in fundamentals. Next up, Paradigm Biopharmaceuticals, a biotech betting big on Zilosul, its late-stage osteoarthritis treatment. If the FDA gives Zilosul the go-ahead, Paradigm could be looking at a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. But as always in biotech, success depends on clinical results, regulatory timing, and the ability to commercialize effectively in a competitive market. Investor Amir V estimates a fair value of around $5.50 per share, indicating it's a massive 93% undervalued based on today's prices. It's a powerful story, one that captures both the high-stakes potential and the grounded realism of what it takes to win in the life sciences space. And finally, let's dig into Barrick Mining. As US fiscal uncertainty rattles markets, investors are flocking to gold, and Barrick's in a prime position to benefit. The company's strong balance sheet, steady production, and growing copper exposure make it a resilient pick in turbulent times. Investor G. Milan values Barrick at around $60 per share Canadian, indicating it's possibly 19% below their fair value estimate. It's a concise and timely take, tying together macro pressures, gold prices, and valuation logic into a sharp investment case. So, what's next? First, once you've checked out these narratives, if you agree with any of them, you can set their fair values as your own to help you with your buy, hold, and sell decisions. Second, if UPS, Paradigm, or Barrick caught your eye, drop your questions in the comments section on the narrative to discuss the stocks with other investors. Third, explore hundreds of other narratives on our community page, from blue chip giants to bold new disruptors. And finally, if you've got a stock story worth telling, create your own narrative. If you meet our featuring criteria, your work could be seen by millions of other investors. That's all for this week's picks. See you in the next one.